Merry Christmas, everybody, and this is the final day of this countdown to Christmas with me, John of JWH Millinery, and today we're opening box number 25. It's Christmas Day. I hope you're all enjoying your day. Let me know in the comments down below what you got for Christmas, and you know, hopefully you're all spending time with your family. I am going to, once I finish this, I'll be getting ready to go to my friend's house for Christmas dinner, who is amazing. She's an amazing, talented lady. I have mentioned it before, but give her a Christmas shout out. Like, go to her channel. If you've not already, go to her page on Instagram. Send her some Christmas love. I look horrible today. Like, ugh. I need to like sort this hair out, but we're not here to talk about my hair today. And this is the first day we actually have something that doesn't look like the rest, because today we have day number 25. So if you want to see what is in this, keep on watching. So I'm going to assume in here it's cinema, because then again we got the grey cinema, and that was in a box. So I'm very intrigued to see. Nope, it's not making any noise. So I'm very intrigued to see what is in this. So up on one end, can you believe I can't get in? This is well wrapped. Oh, look. Oh, yes. We have, oh, so this is buntal or ginseng. I did a tutorial last well, a few weeks ago now, with this, but it was the peach one, and this is the other one that they had. Oh, they've got a few actually. Oh, that's just amazing. I love this. This is why this was number 25, because like, yeah, this is the fit. Like, oh dear me. Yeah, there's all these end bits as well. Oh, day 25, thank you so much. This is amazing. Like this, and look, that colorway. Oh, it's just amazing. Oh, and look how it shines in the light. Wow. They always save the best to last, and obviously we have the best to last. So I'm just going to set that there for a moment. Now, as it's Christmas Day, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. There's no question of the day today. I'm going to enjoy my Christmas. I hope you have a lovely Christmas too. And there'll be no more videos in December. They will restart in January, mid-January. I'm going to take a little bit of a break from YouTube, literally a few weeks break. Nothing crazy, not like last time. And Merry Christmas to all. Happy holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, enjoy, eat, drink, be merry, spend some time with your family, some time with your loved ones. So yeah, have a lovely day. I will see you in January. I am going to my friend's house once I've had breakfast and a coffee. I mean, look at this hair. Like, look at this barnet. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for joining me on these 25 days of Christmas. This Christmas countdown. I can't remember what it's called, but it'll be in the description box. All the materials, everything will be listed in there. So if you want to purchase it, I'll tell you where it's from. And thank you very much for watching. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, give me a Christmas present of a comment, a notification, or a like, or anything. and thanks for watching. It's Christmas Day. I have a headache. And I look forward to seeing you in January. Bye.